What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving to those of you in the United States. And I think there are a couple of other countries that celebrate Thanksgiving, if I'm not mistaken. Not exactly sure what they are. Maybe you could let me know in the comments if I'm correct on that. But a couple of things I'm thankful for today. My family, my wife, and kids are such a blessing. My health, many of you know I had quite a scary time the last couple of months with some health things. And so to be kind of on the other side of that, or at least it seems like I'm on the other side of that, is awesome, and I'm thankful for that, and also thankful for what Jesus did on the cross for me. All right, so this position, it's white to play and win, although there's a problem here that white's going to have to deal with. Before I say too much and spoil it, though, white to play and win. What do you think the winning move is for white? All right, well, if you had a chance to look at that, of course, we have this pawn, which is trying to become a queen here, but black's king's in a nice position to stop it. And the major problem that we have here as white is that black also has this pawn, which is about to become a queen as well. And unfortunately for us, we don't have a good way to stop that with our knight. If you look carefully, we can't move here. We just get captured. Normally, you might want to try to stop this square. So you would maneuver the knight maybe like this to control the queening square. But we can't do that because that's controlled by black's pawn. So it looks like we're in a bit of a jam. Of course, if we sacrifice it, that doesn't really help us because black's pawn is also going to be ready to go again. So what do? Well, the move is e7 check. And we have to do something. So we force black to go there. Then if you would like to pause, what's the follow-up move here? Get a chance to look at that. It's king to e6. And we're kind of just trapping black's king temporarily and getting ready for the follow-up, which is really the tricky moment in the puzzle after black plays e2, attacks our knight. What's the winning move here? There's only one correct move. You had a chance to look at that. It's knight to d2. And at first glance, it's like, wait a second, we're allowing black to get the queen. It's going to be forking us. Why would we do that? Here's the idea. After black gets the queen, we're going to block it with knight to e4 and avoid the check from the queen that way. Now here, black has a couple of options. And of course, they could start, trying to push this a pawn and get another queen. That's too slow because we do have a very serious threat here. In 3 moves, we're going to push our pawn down and go for a checkmate. So black kind of has to do something a little bit faster. So one try might be queen to b4, trying to take our pawn. But if they go here, we have a way to win the game. White to play and win. If you had a chance to look at that, knight to f6 is just checkmate. And that's pretty straightforward, so they can't do that. The other try is they might just try to leave their queen here, keeping our knight pinned, so we can't checkmate like that. But then again, we go back to our plan of pushing this f-pawn, and there's really nothing for black to do. So what does black do instead? Queen takes e4, sacrificing the queen to get rid of the knight, but when we capture, it also does something else. It opens up this d-pawn to come down here and get a new queen. And this one is further advanced than the a-pawn, so it's a little bit faster. So what do we play to win the game from this position? Well, if you had a chance to look at that, of course, it's the same idea. And if you calculate it out, we're going to be just in time to deliver the checkmate before black's queen is able to do anything. So d3, we're going to go f5, d2, f6. And when black gets the queen, we're going to play f7. Checkmate with the 2 pawns. And it was just in time before black's queen was able to do anything. So really nice puzzle there. Not too difficult, but I thought that was a pretty fun one with the 2 pawns. Checkmate. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.